Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Teams meeting. So basically, scheduling a Teams meeting on phone does not unlike Windows. You don't need to open Gmail, and from Gmail you can actually compose, and from compose you actually find a Teams meeting. No, you can't do that. Gmail apps or mail apps tend to be simple on phone. So how you can do this is basically download the Teams application. Now from the Teams application, you're going to sign in with your Microsoft account, and then you're going to go on the calendar menu, which is basically the third option from the left, and you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on the plus icon, and then from plus icon you're going to specify what meeting you would want. Okay. After that you're going to specify the event name. Basically, let's say discussion. Okay, discuss, and then we're going to add the participants, and then send. Basically, I want to send to my second email. I'm going to choose that email. I'm going to add it. I'm going to add whatever participants I want. Okay, and after that, you're going to specify what time you want, and then you're going to click on the tick button. Now it's going to send an email to me that there is going to be a discussion that is going to happen at that time, or a Teams meeting that's going to happen at that time. So make sure you're free at that time. So yeah, that was basically how you can schedule a meeting on for Gmail. Anyone, if I open my other Gmail right now, you're going to find I open my other Gmail. You're going to find that I received my Teams meeting over here. Okay, I know the sender, and as you can see, I'm going to click on yes, and then click here to join the meeting, and I'm going to join the meeting. So yeah, guys, that was basically it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.